Welcome back to my channel, everyone. My name is Mary here at The Good Life with M, and I'm starting off with my skincare routine because it is essential to do some kind of skincare prep before makeup application. I'm starting with Dr. Brandt's Pore Purifying Cleanser. I feel super fresh and super clean after every use, and then I'm topping that off with my eye cream by Algenist and my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. These two products are amazing. I always feel so supple. Next, I'm putting on my contacts because the last time I did a makeup video, I couldn't see anything. Next is a new product by ILIA, the Blue Light Filter Mist that I'm using as a primer. This is a multi-benefit mist that delivers hydration, balances surface oil, and helps protect skin from blue light. And next here is their Super Serum Skin Tint with SPF 40. I love this stuff because it's buildable. It's really lightweight, yet I feel like it covers a lot of my imperfections, and not to mention it is a perfect match. You know how hard it is for me to find a foundation that matches my skin perfectly? This stuff is it. It's the only one that I've found that I've actually been happy with. So this is a clean silicone and fragrance-free tinted serum. It's packed with active, nourishing ingredients and SPF 40. It delivers light coverage, dries down to a natural dewy finish. And as you get older, you want to look dewy because it makes you look younger. You know, when we're a lot younger, of course, our skin is a lot more supple, and as we grow older, our skin gets drier. Although I generally have an oily face, I do notice that I am a little drier around my eyes and my forehead. And here is the True Skin Serum Concealer by ILIA. It's smoothing, brightening, and has vitamin C. I am applying everything with my fingers as far as my cream products because it's just a lot quicker, and this mama ain't got no time these days, so this is a lot quicker for me. The trick is to dab, 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 or pat, 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 I guess, because if you start rubbing it, it just pretty much takes away the product. So in order for you to get a more full coverage look, I recommend patting it on, as you see here. So once I get to the nose area, I also pat because I try to get in between the creases, and it's just easier to get the product in that way. Next, I am using my Color Haze multi-use pigment. This stuff is great because I can use it on my lips and my cheeks and my eyelids even. I'll put about a pea-sized drop onto a couple of my fingers, and then I'll rub that on to warm it up a little bit and kind of pat it on again on my cheeks. And then I will use, sorry, that looks kind of dirty, but it's because my fingers have product on it. But I will use like some kind of beauty blender to pat the rest on and then kind of blend the edges out with my fingers even further. So next I'm using the Lip Wrap Hydration Mask. This stuff is like butter on my lips. Here I'm using the Clean Line Gel Liner. This stuff is great. It's easy on the eyes. It's long lasting, and it's carbon black and cyclomethicone free. It's very soft and blends out pretty easily before it sets. You want to make sure that you work with it fast enough because it does, once it's set, it stays put. Here's a necessary eyeshadow palette in Warm Nude, and it has 6 colors. It's talc free, so you don't get that chalky look. It's super buttery. It's crease proof. It's a smooth application. They're super pigmented. You can totally build up the colors, and it's just hydrating to your entire eye. The skin on our eyelids generally tend to be a lot thinner, so you want to kind of be careful around that area. You don't want to tug at it or, you know, rub it so much that it starts to cause wrinkles. But yeah, as you can see here, I don't really get any fallout for as long as I've been using this stuff. It's great. So here I'm using the darkest color in the palette and kind of smoking out the lower lids. I like to add this part because it adds more depth to my eyes. And here you will see the Essential Brow Natural Volumizing Brow Gel in medium brown. I kind of like that wet laminated brow look that's really popular these days, but I mean, this doesn't give it a super wet look. It just makes it look a little bit more clean. And now for one of my favorite parts, contouring. I'm using the Nightlight bronzing powder in the color Novelty. It's the darker color of the two. This is a clean, talc-free, finely milled powder that delivers a natural bronze look. Here I'm sucking in my cheeks just a bit to kind of follow the natural line underneath my cheekbones. I like to use the excess and place it on the perimeter of my forehead and the my chin, my jawline, and my neck. I don't want to put extra just because I want it to look a little bit more natural. I will, though, put a little bit more on the brush for my nose. And so to quickly do that, I just kind of, brush the sides of my nose and just make sure that's all blended in. And then after I do that, I go ahead and just rub my finger on my nose just to, make sure I don't have any harsh lines. And then one of my favorite products of the line, this is the Balmy Gloss Tinted Lip Oil in the color Saint. It's kind of like a terracotta color that's super sheer and super buildable, and it's just easy to work with. I kind of use it to line my lips and just kind of go to town with it, actually. Here is a blue light filter mist again that I am going to be using to set my makeup. Give it about a minute or two to dry, and once you've done that, you are ready to zhuzh up that hair and pretty much call it good to go. All right, guys, I hope you liked that video. This is the final look today. Today we're gonna have a lot of sun, so I thought I'd go for a bronzy look. I have come across ILIA Beauty on Facebook and Instagram, and the little reels that they had put out there kind of brought me in, and I was intrigued. So I finally got a hold of some ILIA Beauty products, and I have been a fan so far. So I'm even an ambassador for them. Now that I'm getting older, I want to pare down my routine. I just want simple, quick. I don't want to look as done up. I want freckles to show through. I wasn't a big fan of freckles for the longest time, but I actually don't mind them as much now. I feel like with COVID and the masks and everything and wearing like a full face of really thick makeup, it's just not good for your skin. So ever since I've switched to this, it's been so much better, and I am so happy that I came across it, and I hope that you guys are just as interested in this product as I was, and that you're able to try it. And if so, let me know what you think. I'll link everything down below, and just let me know if you have any questions. Please like, comment down in the description box, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. If you subscribe, please hit that notification bell for updates because I upload every Sunday. So I hope to see you in my little community here, and that, I'm able to answer any questions that you might have, no matter how big or small. I'll try to get the answer for you guys. So anyway, I'll see you next week, and I hope you have a great week, great day wherever you are, and I'll see you soon. Bye.